do that, then I'll have a few announcements. Then we're gonna have a brief, I don't know if you want to call it presentation, but Dr. Ed Spaz is going to help us out.
Right.
So shall we start with Mr. Ben?
Hi everyone, Ben Cardona here. I am an agent, a lender, and a business funding partner. On the agent side, one of the new things that I just started is international investing. So if anyone is an end buyer that's looking into Vietnam, Thailand, Costa Rica, Mexico, feel free to come talk to me, and then we can kind of talk about how that situation is. On the lending side, I do anything from A-paper, non-QM, DSCRs, hard money. And lastly, on the business funding side, we can do business financing, equipment financing, if you know anyone like that. But also, if anyone you know owns a brick and mortar company, makes at least 17K, around 560 credit score, they actually be your private money lender, because we're able to do unsecured lines of credit up to $500,000. If they have more than 2 entities, it could be up to $750,000. So they can help you with your EMD, your down payment, and even your fix and flip money as well. Thank you.